Good morning. It's Jackie at Cruising the Sierra Farm. So I wanted to show you this. This is just crazy to me. It's December 27th, 2023. And I have been, I had a homegrown sweet potato that was harvested back in late September. I guess it would have been late September. Anyway, I had one that started to grow, and I put it into a mason jar, quart-sized mason jar, lifted up with some skewers and wooden skewers, and I just wanted to share with you where we're at on that slip growing. Look at that. I have over foot-long vines growing off of the sweet potato already. This is crazy. So, yeah, they're doing mighty fine. I'm going to actually go plant some of these in the winter greenhouse where I've got the other small ones growing, and we'll see how they do. It has been kind of a test to see how well they will survive in the greenhouse without it heated. So we're going to definitely do that today. So it's strange. We have had some freezing temperatures, but we've also had some, so far, crazy winter. But I don't want to speak too soon because last year's January and March was horrific. We had so much rain and W word. We don't say the W word here. That it did quite a bit of damage. So if you can see, I've got some small sweet potatoes out here, but as you can also see, some of them have not done. That's enough. Thank you, though. Good boy. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and plant a bigger one in here. I just have to find one. I think there's some in here that actually don't have roots on them yet, so we got to get them lowered into the water. See, these top ones barely have roots, and then some none at all, so we got to get those down in. But we're going to take this one anyway. So these two right here that my thumb is on and the one right below it, we're going to go ahead and pull those off. I want you to see how this is done. It is super simple. You literally just take where it is attached and you barely push it to the side and it'll pop right off. Well, it's a little difficult to do one-handed. Oh my goodness, what in the world? There we go. Okay, so we disconnected it so you can see the little orange part where it was attached. But look at that root structure. That is lovely. So let's go ahead and plant it down in here. And get that covered in. Again, they might not survive, but it's fine. We have plenty of sweet potatoes to work with. Let's get this one in there. Yeah, those little guys did not do very well. Try to do one more right here. Let's see, which one are we going to get? This one down there is pretty small. Let's see here. Let's go with this one right here. Oh, that's the tiny one. Let's go with this one. It only has a couple, but that's all right. So long as it has some. Oh, well, great. I just destroyed it. Actually, it's got some nubs on there. Do you see that? Those are root nubs. So we're just going to go ahead and stick that in the ground and see what happens. We shall see. They might not do anything because it's too cold. But we shall see. Let's pull this one off. Right, there we go. All right, we shall wait and see what happens, and we'll get this back into the house and lowered down in to get these top ones under the water so that they can get some good root structures going. All right, so we got lowered down in there, and those should produce some good roots pretty quickly. And we will just keep growing these until it's time to put them out.